In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually set up Nordvpn on Windows. If you're someone who values privacy or simply wants to navigate the internet securely, getting your VPN up and running is essential. We'll walk through the setup process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. First, we need to head over to the Nordvpn website. You can do this by navigating to nordvpn.com and then selecting the option to download the fastest VPN app available. This is a crucial step, as having the official app ensures that you receive the most secure and updated version of the software tailored for your needs. Once on the site, you'll see a big inviting download button. Give that a click to begin. Next, you'll need to log into your account. At this stage, you should see a login button prominently displayed on the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This typically includes your email and password associated with your Nordvpn account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a good time to create one by following their easy sign-up process. Once logged in, go to your account overview. Here you'll find all your account details, manage your subscriptions, and, most importantly, access the download section. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, as this is where you'll manage your VPN settings in the future. Now, navigate over to the download section, which you can easily locate from your account dashboard. This section is specifically designed to provide you with the latest software versions for your devices. Since we are setting this up on Windows, look for the Nordvpn for Windows download link. After selecting the Nordvpn for Windows option, the downloading process should automatically start. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, but once it's ready, you'll want to open the file. Simply go to the folder where it downloaded and double-click the setup file to begin the installation process. Once the installation completes, open the Nordvpn app. You'll find the familiar Nordvpn icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Launching the app for the first time might take a moment, but don't worry, as this is normal. Once it's open, log in with your Nordvpn account details if you aren't already logged in. And there you have it. You're now ready to start surfing the web more securely. Don't forget to review the app's key settings, where you can adjust your preferences and turn on features like Auto Connect for added security. Enjoy your secure browsing with Nordvpn. And remember that staying vigilant online is the best way to protect your personal information.